On the trail radio here, what we're going to be doing is testing out the Retevis RB17P in a real-world example. I'm currently traveling across from my town to another city. That way we can do multiple tests on here, distance and audio-wise. We'll be talking on GMRS channel 15 or 462.550 on a tone that I have preset for my family. WRVG 593 at mile marker 100, doing an audio and distance check.
WRVG 587, approaching mile marker 98. You're coming through very, very clear. Good straight highway, good line of sight.
As you see on here, with 2 mile distance, a pretty considerable distance when talking simplex or radio to radio, it had no trouble picking it up and receiving. It had a little bit of static in the background, but that's to be expected when you're in a Faraday cage and another person in a Faraday cage using two 5-watt handhelds talking to each other.